Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we are offering for sale a 1973 Z1 900 gas tank. Original paint. It's kind of gooned, but it is what it is. So, actually the paint, you could get a nice match off this paint, or nothing else you could use this for the striping or something, or it'd be a nice wall hanger. Got a little issue right here. Okay, but on this other side, we really got an issue. Big issue. You have to look for more dents, but I think this is basically the mother load of the dents. The gas tank on the inside is going to need cleaned up a little bit. You can see some stuff here. So I'd highly recommend cleaning the tank. It could be used. It looks like a project, but there's guys out there that can fix the stuff. We're just kind of cleaning out the place. And if you look at the bottom, it's as solid as you can get. I have not tested this tank for leaks, but it's nice. These are still straight. I don't know if it's gapped out or nothing, but I think it's pretty cool. Nice project. Nice filler tank if you're trying to put a basket case 73 together or whatever. But this is the real deal. And it does take the small badges. The 74, 75 were out about right here. But this is 73 only. It'll fit on other bikes, but 73 only. Thank you for looking. Good luck.